Hi, it's Lisa from PosterMyWall. Today I am going to show you the easiest way to resize a graphic or a video. This is just super helpful if you want to reuse the same graphic or video on another platform. Today we're going to resize a flyer into a social media post. Let's get to it. Open the video or design you want to resize. Click Resize. Select the size that you'd like. If you use a custom size, be sure to select your unit of measurement. Click Copy and Resize. Your resized design will now open in a new window. Only the layout dimensions are resized. You must adjust the design elements to fit the resized design. Save your design, and then either download your design or use one of our many publishing options. That's all for today. Have fun resizing.